Friends, this is Running Kimono, and oh my gosh, Dollar General was crazy today. You know, the kind of day where you go into a store and you're not looking for pennies, but you find all of the pennies? That's kind of what happened. We have a double dip over at Walgreens. We're going to talk about that right off the bat. And for all the Rite Aid shoppers out there, we have a cheap shampoo deal and then a little freebie over at Meijer. So we're hopping at a bunch of different stores and we will touch on this. It's a really good haul today. The weather report for you guys. Ooh, we have a new gazebo there. Who isn't fancy? And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a good day, and it's about 60 degrees outside. And that is our other one fell apart after about 5 years, but here it is, the new gazebo. It's looking like summer. All right, so the first store we're gonna talk about is Walgreens, because I think that's probably why the majority of you are logging on to here. It's for the Walgreens dealios. So special shout out to GME Coupons over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal. So the Glide Bacteria Guard 75 count Oral-B Pickies, I actually use these, that's why I picked this up. The $4 Crest products we're looking for, so either the brushes or something like this. Grab 3 of them, they're $4 a pop, so that's 12. We have a very generous 6 off a 3 digital coupon. You'll pay 6 out of pocket. I basically rolled a little bit of Walgreens cash. And then I got back $9 in register rewards, making these 3 free and a $3 moneymaker. And these are the register rewards that printed for me. So that is really You can alternatively grab a mix and match of these and the $4 brushes. When this double dip will be over, your guess is as good as my guess. Also to let you guys know, toys, certain stores, some toys have hit 70 to 90% off. If you are in search of that, definitely grab stuff, bring it to the till and ask the cashier for a little bit of help. What are the prices? You know, that sort of a thing. But toys 70% off, and that is courtesy of the freebie guy. I also made a dedicated video yesterday to this. This is a curbside deal, and this was like less than $1 after I got money back from Checkout 51 for the 2 baby Ruths. So I'm not going to go through this again because it's a lot to go through, but visit my video from yesterday. I'll pin it at the very end, and there's some really inexpensive curbside items. And for a lot of you that were asking why it said employee discount on it, that's just an error, and I don't know why it happens to my account. I don't work at Walgreens, and if I did, I probably would get fired because I've never showed up for a single shift. But it happens at my account. Various influencers, I don't know, because we're in the app every day or like every hour, that it pings it as an employee account. But whatever the price is, a lot less, it actually doesn't appear, because when you go to checkout, everything is the regular price. Just to note that, but to pay $1 for all of this magic, not too shabby. So that was Walgreens. So the next store that we have is the Dollar General, and I haven't been the luckiest with penny shopping for the last bit. Actually, my penny shopping has been pretty bad. Like, I find like 3 pennies, and I'm just not a very good penny shopper. You need a little bit of luck in that, and that is for sure. But the Easter stuff pennied out. The manager said 3 weeks ago, but I don't even know if that's truthful or not. But I'm going to show you some of the items. Maybe you'll get as lucky as I. The thing I would recommend, guys, is to go and look around and then see if there is a little display of Easter stuff. The tags will either say 50 or 90%, and then just start scanning with the Dollar General app. And it was like food, plushies, the grass, all these buckets. I have plans for all this stuff, but I'm just so delighted some of the stuff that I found. Like this, for example, these little pops. So if you want to open up your Dollar General app and either scan this barcode or punch it in, just punch in the UPC, you can see if your store might have it. Also, a lot of gray dot clothing, so like stuff from the winter time is also a penny. You might want to look for that. It's called the gray dot clothing, a very specific type of penny. My car's in the shop, so I can't keep running out to the Dollar General. So I'm good with this. I can't go back out. My car might be in the shop for the next couple days, so one of those sort of things, but it's okay. So I found these pops that are Easter, this little felt basket, a little bunny, a whole mess of these Oreo eggs, really nice. This was on a lot of penny lists, this little trident. I know it was on the Freebie Guys penny list, but I only found one penny item. I did find a lot of chips, but they were the wrong ones, so those were not a penny. Here's the UPC if you wish to look for this, and this was found in the clearance section. We have our little Easter buddy, and nobody wanted this guy. So I bought him for a penny. We have the two little iced lemon cookie mixes. I think my mother-in-law will really enjoy that. How adorable are these Easter signs? So in the home decor area at an NCI store, definitely look there. These are made out of wood and super uber cute. And a whole bunch of Easter grass, and a lot of you are like, you're out of your mind? You bought all that? A lot of it for packing supplies, or you know, if you make little gift baskets of your coupon stuff for a birthday gift for a lady, how cute is that? Any time of the year. Get some red. I could do an American themed, you know, you just candy tray or something like that if you have guests in the summertime, you know. I don't know, get creative. These little buckets, super uber cute too. They're Easter pails. I'm gonna keep a whole bunch of them so I can make Easter pails for my nieces for the next many, many years. But I got a whole bunch of those. This is my favorite item, these tablecloths, and this one, so adorable. I love the colors, they're so fun. And then the rabbits, more traditional, so I got 9 of those. I'm pretty excited. So that was my little haul. It was like 159 penny items, and so easy. And that's Pumpkin meowing in the background. Okay, now while you're out looking for your penny items, this is also a really terrific deal to get the 2 hair products for a penny. And really listen up, guys, because I have to explain this to you. It's not just like a regular buying 2 shampoos. What you're gonna do is grab 1 shampoo by Garnier Fructis shampoo, 1 Garnier Fructis conditioner. Scan the barcodes to make sure that the 3 off of 2 store and the 3 off of 2 manufacturer are attaching to both. Got to pay attention to that. At checkout, what you're gonna do is get the cashier to scan this. Then I punched in my phone number, get the cashier to scan the shampoo first, conditioner second, and both 3 off of 2s will come off. If this is scanned first, only 1 3 off of 2 coupon will come off. It's the way it's coded. Alternatively, if that is way too much for you to remember, grab 2 shampoos and both 3 off of 2s will come off for you. It's one of those goofy things. It is Dollar General, but to get 2 shampoos for a penny, it's totally what it's about. And let's not forget, guys, if you are out there doing your thing, you live in a colder climate, look for those gray penny clothing items. Open up your Dollar General app, scan, and see what they might have. I have been looking for a haul like this in a while, and to get all these pennies, wow, pretty amazing. And sorry I'm not showing all the barcodes, it's just a lot of stuff, and I know a lot of you won't be able to find certain items, but if you do stumble across the Easter display, scan away, my friends. The next store that we have is Rite Aid, and this is my haul from Rite Aid today. I grabbed 14 of these Garnier Fructis. They are 2 for $6. And then there's also, I think it's 3 for $4 for the Scotch Brite, Palmolive, and Fabuloso. I wanted the sponges. So for 14 of these, they're 2 for $6. That is $42 of Garnier shampoo. And then $8 of this magic. So the overall basket for all of this is 50 bucks. We have a spend 50, get back 15. Got the cashier to scan that. I had 2 3 off of 2s from coupons.com for the Garnier, plus 1 digital 3 off of 2. The rest I didn't have coupons for, so it is what it is. Plus I had a 5 off of 2 that came out of the Catalina machine, just a Rite Aid coupon from a little bit back. So after all of that, I paid $36 out of pocket. I had bonus cash on my store card. I just rolled it. And then I got back $29 in bonus cash, $15 for the booster, $5 for every 20 I spent on the Garnier Fructis, so I got $10 back from that. And then I think I got $4 back from this business, so it's $29 altogether. And then I applied to coupons.com to get $3 back for buying 2 of these. So after everything's said and done, guys, $4 for the 20 items, or 20 cents each over at Rite Aid. Okay, the last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. These CoverGirl single eyeshadows, they're $3 and some change, like $3.69 or something goofy like that. We have a $4 M-Perk, so on my store card, I got the red one, and then I got this one on my husband's store card. And for whatever reason, these two shades, that $4 coupon is attaching with. This one is called 428 Maroon, and this one is Glitzy Gold at $4.29. So it's just a free little quad with an M-Perk, and you can do it once per store card. So just to repeat, my store card, my husband's store card, 2 free eyeshadows. So if you have a Meijer, go on the hunt for these free eyeshadow. Guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!